Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on today's episode is we're going to dive into another Cardano price prediction. So in particular, we are going to go over what I think is going to be, I guess you could call it the next bull run, 2024 bull run, 2025 bull run. What is going to be the peak price of Cardano? So we're going to dive into that. And I'm also going to share with you when I'm planning on taking some profits. And again, there's a lot of factors to it. This is not financial advice, so invest at your own risk. So if you get something out of this, smash the subscribe button and smash the like button. I don't know where it is on this monitor. But yeah, for those of you that get something out of it, definitely comment down below, Do you agree with this price prediction? Do you agree when taking profits? And it comes down to when you get in. So for me, I bought some at the top, but my average price is about 50 cents. So I think I'm back to, 50 cents Canadian even. So it's looking pretty good. So let's dive right into it. I don't want to keep you all waiting. As you know, Cardano has had a very good week. In fact, it's been dipping since then. So Cardano at one point was at 39 cents tonight. Every project right now is absolutely crushing it. All the good ones anyways. I mean, if you're buying FTX though, guys, do not be buying FTX. I'm looking at that. Terra Luna's crushing it. Guys, quit buying Terra Luna. Unbelievable. You guys are absolute degenerates. AVAX went up. That's because Alex Becker did a video, and that's the only reason it went up. Let's be honest. All right, so we're going to talk about Cardano. Let's look at some of the stats here. So in order to find the ADA price, what you're going to do is you are going to multiply the market cap by the supply. So with Cardano, there's a max supply of 45 billion. Well, it's right here, actually. There we go. The max supply of ADA is 45 billion, and today the circulating supply is 35.2 billion. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do some quick math. Now, I've been saying this for a while. For those of you that have been subscribed, I've been saying that Cardano's market cap, in my opinion, will be where Ethereum is today, minimum. So if we take a look at Ethereum, I believe it's 250 almost. Yeah, 245. So I was saying about 200 to 250 billion in market cap. So it's very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to suppose ADA is going to be at a let's call it 37 billion market cap, 4 or 5 months from now. I don't know how accurate that is. Most of the supply is already out. In fact, I believe 80%. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 250 billion. So that's 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So 250 million times 37. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's going to give you a $9.24 token. So 9.24. That's supposing ADA, and again, I don't know exactly what the supply is going to be. I'm just a moose. The moose does simple math. Okay, you've all seen this channel. Very simple math. Okay, I'm a macro investor. I invest in NHL rookie cards. Okay, that's my main gig, folks. I'm an absolute savage. I bought so many Austin Matthews. Guys going top shelf, doing incredible one-timers in OT. Guy's an absolute beauty on the ice, okay? So, 9.24, that's supposing we hit that market cap, and I think it's very possible. So the question is, when do you take profits? Because if you're buying now, right? If you're buying now, and Cardano is 37 cents, let's call it 40 cents, okay? You are going to make great profit at a 10x. The 10x will be a $3 ADA, supposedly, right? So let's say let's be very conservative. Let's say we get half of the way there. So let's divide it by 2, 4.6. So 462. That would be pretty great, right? So it would be let's say $4 to $5. That is probably a great time to begin to take profits. Okay. If you want, you could do it even much earlier, right? Like if your goal is, hey, I want to put in 5,000, make 50,000, you know. And again, this is all speculation, right? I'm doing this video because all of you are like, I want an ADA price prediction. I want to know when I'm going to the moon. I want to afford to go to the moon. All these things. I love you guys. I love this community. You guys are hilarious. All right. So in my mind, a 460, a $4 to $5 ADA, that's probably a great time to begin to take some profits. But if you're a long-term investor like me, I believe in the decentralization of Cardano. I believe in the scalability. I believe in the supply that it has. I believe in the staking. I believe in all of the different dApps that are going to be built. Especially we have Midnight coming out, so it's going to be a completely different blockchain, right? I think it's not even a side chain of Cardano from what I believe. So stay tuned for Dust token airdrops as well and whatnot. I believe we're going to get airdrops. I don't think we're going to have to delegate maybe for the new supply, but there's going to be most likely a screenshot, or there already has been one. So hodl some ADA. That's my opinion on that. But I want you to all comment down below. Do you believe the moose is loose and the moose is correct? Or is the moose losing his mind? Right? I think this is very conservative. I think a $4 to $5 ADA, I'm even writing this down, right? $4 to $5 ADA, it's probably a great time for you to begin to take profits. Now, if you bought at the top, you're going to have to wait a bit longer, right? Because you're not going to make very much if you bought at $3 and we go to $4. It's going to be difficult. So if you've been watching this channel, we've been DCAing and it's already starting to pan out. So let's take a look at a bit more of the numbers here. So on the week, we are up 10% roughly. On the month, 52%. Woo! Guys, moose is loose. Moose is loose. So I was saying it, right? Like this is going to be a great time to pick up some ADA. So if we take a look at other projects as well, so if we go up here, so let's go over here to Ethereum as well. So Ethereum, right? We've got, I'm trying to think of what is the total market cap dominant. So, let's call it 70% of the market cap is put into the top 2 tokens, right? And this is a big number, like a $244 billion market cap. That's massive. And I'm telling you, ADA could do that, right? So effectively, you're going to see most likely, in my opinion, a 20x. And I think Ethereum's going to eclipse a $1 trillion market cap. ETH will probably be $8,000 per token, and ADA will be, I definitely could see it hitting 9. We did the math, but that's going to be peak. That's what I think. Okay. Solana's doing quite well as well. I'm going to be doing a video on the entire market cap, like in the top 10 and then top 20, probably the top 50. So if you guys want to get a little bit insight on that, definitely let me know. So with that being said, I want you to all check out the link tree. If you haven't already, you all need a hardware wallet. I should have one lying around here. I usually do. This is the Ledger Nano S Plus. Great device. And again, these act as an intermediary for you to sign transactions, and it makes it much more difficult for somebody to take your crypto. We do dedicated videos. So check out the link tree. We've got online courses. We have a free Cardano mini course. People have been signing up for this quite a bit. So I've been seeing those emails come in. You get a workbook, you get downloadable videos, and the moose gets loose. Like, if there's a time the moose gets loose, it's in these online courses. So definitely check out these links as well. If you want to pick up a Trezor Model T, save up to 25% off. Actually, let's see how much you would save. Let's see what you would save, actually. So if I click on the link, go to carts. Just want to make sure my address doesn't show up. Continue. Continue. And again, you can pick up any hardware wallet. It's definitely up to you. Yeah. So anyways, click on those links if you're interested. We also have the LEPAL, and we have a simple guide to cryptos and NFTs. We have all the social links. So I definitely want to see you all on the Twitter and everywhere else. So with that being said, everybody, the moose is loose again. Final recap. A peak $9.24 ADA USD and a $4 to $5 ADA, in my opinion, is a great time to begin to take those profits. Absolutely get loose. You know, go out on a hot date, like have some fun, right? Buy a boat, right? Buy a yacht. I don't know how much you guys have in crypto, right? Some of you, you're going to be buying dinner. Some of you are going to be buying yachts. You're going to be buying watches, right? Like I like to upgrade mine. I got a cheap Walmart watch. So that being said, we'll see you all in the next one. Stay loose.